In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Zoho Books plan using our comprehensive 2025. You're managing your business finances through Zoho Books and looking to expand your features by upgrading your plan, you've come to the right place. Let's get started and walk through this process together. First, let's navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your financial command center where you can access various features and is the starting point for any major changes you want to make in your Zoho account. Once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard filled with useful data and graphs that provide a snapshot of your financial health. Now take a moment to locate the highlighted area on the interface. This is typically a section dedicated to updates or promotions and might also contain shortcuts to important actions. You need to click on this highlighted section. Clicking here is an important step as it usually takes you to parts of the platform where you can manage your subscriptions more effectively. Next, once you're in the right place, look for the option labeled Manage Subscription. You'll likely find this option in your settings or account menu, often indicated by a gear icon. Clicking on Manage Subscription is crucial because it gives you access to all your subscription details and options for modification. This is where you can view your current plan and decide on an upgrade. From the Manage Subscription page, you'll see a button or link that says Subscribe to Zoho Books in 4 easy steps or something similar. Click this option as it directs you into the subscription process specifically designed for ease of navigation and clarity. This process will guide you through the 4 simple steps needed to successfully upgrade your plan. Once you're in this subscription interface, you'll be prompted to review your current plan and the options available. Here, take a moment to compare the plans offered and decide which one best fits your growing business needs, whether it's adding more users, accessing advanced features, or increasing storage capacity. Make sure to choose the plan that gives you the optimum capabilities for your operations. After selecting your preferred plan, proceed through the checkout process. Ensure that your payment details are up to date to avoid any interruptions. This is also the point where you might want to double check your billing information and ensure that your account details are relatively current. Once you've completed the subscription upgrade process, you'll receive a confirmation email summarizing your new plan details. Be sure to keep this email for your records as it outlines all the changes and can be a handy reference if you have any future queries regarding your subscription. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Zoho Books plan. Now you can continue managing your business with enhanced features and support, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your transition to a new plan in Zoho Books.